Welcome, financial freedom seekers. Have you ever felt like you're running on a financial treadmill, working hard but not getting anywhere? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the pitfalls that ensnare many in the middle class, traps that can keep you tethered to financial instability. But fear not, because identifying these traps is the first step to breaking free. Whether you're trying to save for the future, pay down debt, or just get ahead, understanding these middle-class money traps is crucial. So, buckle up as we explore how to navigate away from financial stagnation and towards a brighter, more prosperous future. The debt spiral. The debt spiral, a formidable trap that ensnares countless individuals within the middle class, manifests not as a sudden pitfall but as a gradual descent into financial quicksand. This perilous journey often begins with the allure of credit cards and personal loans, offering the immediate gratification of purchases and experiences that one's current savings cannot fulfill. However, the true cost of this borrowed lifestyle becomes apparent in the form of accumulating interest, turning what was once manageable debt into an overwhelming burden. Take, for instance, the story of Emily, a dedicated teacher with aspirations for a comfortable life. Emily's descent into the debt spiral began innocently, with a credit card intended for emergencies and occasional indulgences. Yet, as life's little emergencies piped up, so did her reliance on plastic. Dining out, vacations, and holiday gifts were all charged, with a justification that future paychecks would cover the costs. However, the reality of compound interest meant that her debts grew faster than her ability to repay it. Minimum payments became a monthly ritual, barely making a dent in the principal amount owed. Before long, Emily found herself in a precarious financial situation where the majority of her income was earmarked for debt repayment, leaving little for savings or investments. Emily's experience is emblematic of the debt spiral's insidious nature. It highlights a critical oversight in financial planning, the underestimation of interest rates and the overestimation of one's repayment capacity. What begins as a tool for financial flexibility quickly moves into a shackle, limiting one's financial growth and freedom. The debt spiral is not just about the numbers, it's about the psychological toll it takes on individuals. The stress and anxiety of mounting debt can lead to further financial missteps, creating a cycle that is difficult to break. It's a stark reminder of the importance of living within one's means and the dangers of relying on credit to fund a lifestyle beyond those means. Breaking free from the debt spiral requires a fundamental shift in financial behavior, prioritizing debt repayment, curbing unnecessary spending, and building an emergency fund to avoid future reliance on credit. It's a journey back to financial stability that demands discipline, sacrifice, and a steadfast commitment to one's financial well-being. Emily's story, while cautionary, also offers hope. With the right strategies and mindset, escaping the debt spiral and reclaiming financial control is within reach. If you enjoyed the video, hit the subscribe button and comment if you are aware of this debt spiral. If you want to explore money-making strategies, click the link in the description to start your financial journey. The illusion of affordability. The illusion of affordability ensnares many with its seductive premise. The idea that through financing, leasing, or buy now, pay later schemes, one can afford luxuries and necessities alike without immediate financial repercussions. This trap convinces individuals that managing monthly payments equates to affordability, obscuring the true cost and long-term financial impact of the purchases. The Johnson family's ordeal offers a vivid illustration of this financial pitfall. Living in a modest suburban neighborhood, the Johnsons aspired to enhance their lifestyle, spurred by the seemingly benign offers for financed cars, furniture, and high-end electronics, enticed by advertisements showcasing low monthly payments with minimal upfront costs. They embarked on a spree of upgrading their possessions and routinely emitting future earnings through a growing mountain of liabilities. This approach to consumption, rooted in the illusion of affordability, led the Johnson family into a precarious financial situation. The allure of manageable monthly payments masked the accumulating interest and the eventual total cost that far exceeded the item's value. As the family's financial obligations ballooned, they found themselves in a perpetual state of catch-up, where much of the income was funneled towards servicing debt rather than building savings or investing for the future. The Johnson story exposes a critical misconception perpetuated by the illusion of affordability, that financial stability is measured by one's ability to juggle monthly payments rather than by overall net worth or savings. It's a cautionary tale that highlights the dangers of conflating financing with true affordability. The immediate gratification of possession belies the long-term financial strain imposed by compounded interest rates and the eventual realization that the assets acquired often depreciate rapidly, leaving individuals paying for items long after their value has diminished. Breaking free from the illusion of affordability requires a shift in perspective. From prioritizing immediate acquisition to considering the total cost of ownership and its alignment with one's financial goals. It involves cultivating financial literacy to understand the implications of debt and choosing to live within one's means, even if it means delaying gratification. For the Johnsons and many others caught in this trap, the path to financial freedom lies in recognizing the difference between what one can finance and what one can truly afford. A distinction that can mean the difference between perpetual debt and lasting financial security. Lifestyle inflation, a subtle yet pervasive trap, ensnares many as they ascend the career ladder. It's the phenomenon where one's spending increases in lockstep with income, leaving little room for significant financial advancements despite higher earnings. This trap is especially insidious because it masquerades as a just reward for hard work, making it easy to rationalize and hard to resist. Alex's tale is a textbook example of lifestyle inflation in action. Initially a prudent saver, Alex saw his expenditures swell with every promotion. Upgraded cars, designer clothes, and lavish vacations gradually shifted from luxuries to perceived necessities. The incremental nature of this lifestyle trip meant that Alex didn't notice the financial strain until he found his savings stagnating, despite a substantially higher income. This shift underscores a critical oversight, equating increased income with an automated upgrade in a lifestyle. What Alex failed to realize was that true financial growth isn't about how much one earns but how much is saved and invested. His increased income, rather than serving as a means to accelerate towards financial goals, became a vehicle for enhanced consumption. Lifestyle inflation doesn't just delay financial goals, it can derail them. Savings for retirement, investments, and emergency funds take a backseat to immediate gratification, leaving individuals vulnerable to financial shocks and unprepared for future needs. The antidote to lifestyle inflation lies in conscious spending and prioritizing financial security over status symbols. It requires a deliberate strategy to increase savings and investments proportionally with income, setting aside a portion of raises and bonuses for future financial milestones instead of current consumption. Alex's journey from unconstrained spending back to disciplined financial planning serves as a powerful lesson. He had to re-evaluate his priorities, distinguishing between wants and needs, and redirecting his income towards building wealth rather than displaying it. This shift not only put Alex back on track towards his financial goals, but also instilled a deeper appreciation for the value of money and the peace of mind that comes from financial stability. Lifestyle inflation is a trap that can keep even the most well-intentioned earners in a state of financial stagnation. Recognizing and resisting it is crucial for anyone looking to build lasting wealth and achieve financial freedom. Recognizing and avoiding these middle-class money traps, the debt spiral, the illusion of affordability, and lifestyle inflation is essential for anyone aiming to achieve financial freedom. Like Emily, the Johnsons, and Alex, the journey to financial stability is fraught with challenges. However, knowledge is power, and understanding these traps is the first step toward avoiding them. Embrace financial education, plan for the future, and prioritize your financial health. Remember, the path to financial freedom is paved with informed decisions, discipline, and a commitment to living within your means. Thank you for joining us on this journey to uncover and overcome the money traps that can keep you broke forever. Here's to breaking free and building a future of abundance and financial security. If you like this type of content, then press the like button and subscribe to our channel.